Hi there, students. An overview. Okay, an overview is a general summary of something. An overview is where you get to see the big picture, but you don't look at all the minor details. So an overview, it's a short description. It gives all of the general information, but it doesn't give any details. It's a general survey, a general summary. Yeah, an overview of a situation. It's a general understanding, a general outline of it. Yeah, and you get the big picture of something, but you don't get all of the little details. Okay, so it's a general outline, a general description, a comprehensive view of the important things, but it's a broad view. Okay, so an overview, a brief summary. So you could give somebody, for example, an overview of a book. Yeah, when you go into the bookshop, you on the back cover, you'll probably find an overview of the book, more or less what happens in the book. Now, psychologically, we have the overview effect. And this is what happens to astronauts sometimes when they view the Earth from space. And they have this view of awe, this they have a different view of the Earth, and this overview effect, it changes their view of their concept, their system of values. It changes the way that they look at the Earth, and this is the overview effect, is the way that astronauts look at the Earth, where you can actually see the Earth in the context of the solar system or the universe, rather than what we can see close up to us. So an overview, a broad comprehensive view, a summary, a review of something. So the preface of the book gives an overview of the contents. It's a general view, it's a short description that gives the general information. I'll give you a brief overview of what you are going to have to do. Yeah, it's general information, but no little bits. It's a short description to give somebody an overview of something, to offer an overview, a broad overview, a general overview. I'll give you a brief overview of what this entails. Okay, so this overview. The board gave an overview of the company's plans. The scientist gave a brief overview of his work. The presenter gave a brief overview of the survey. It also gives an overview of current practices. They were given an overview of the latest developments. Okay, so an overview, a look at a general look at something. Yeah, a general survey, a general summary. The book provides a broad overview of British history. Your boss can give you an overview of what this entails. The newspaper gave an overview of what was happening. Maybe a biased overview though. So an overview is a general understanding, a general description of something as a whole. It's like a survey, a study. Yeah, it's a brief explanation, a general survey, a general outline. Okay, I'm going to take you round the office and give you an overview of everything the company does. So outline, summary, synopsis. The document provides a general overview of what the charity is about. I'm afraid I can't give you a general overview of the situation. I can only give you a worm's eye view of what is happening here. Um, the first chapter gave an overview of the subject. Okay, so an overview. It's just a general explanation. Yeah, it's the overview. I think this is probably a business word. I think I would probably give it. I'm going to give it 5.5, maybe 6 in formality. I think it's something best used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. So, overview.